riding a tricycle. Very bumpy road. Tak 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 tak. This is a primitive way of riding, as if we are on the moon. Moon river. It is simple transportation. We enjoy. As if we are in the province, in the barrio, barangay. But this is a city. Therefore, this is a barrio in the city. No, this is a jungle in the city.